Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Travel Guide Trav. And today we're gonna go ahead and turn our Coleman Spa into a cold plunge or an ice bath. We're here in Lake Havasu. It's just hot. There's plenty of activities to cool off around the lake, but you can only do that so much. And right now, the heat's really getting to me. I think this may not even get that cold, but we're gonna give it a shot. The machine says 91, 90.7. So let's see. $30 degrees. Shit's basically frozen. This one's totally frozen. So that one's been there for a whole 24 hours. These ones have been here for 12 hours. Oh, I reckon, because it's so damn hot outside, look, that if we take these buckets out of the freezer, they're instantly gonna melt. So I could just dump the ice cubes into the Coleman cocktail. And buckets, frozen, is the best way, most efficient. Huge ice cubes. Massive ice cubes in a massive cup. So I basically bought 30 bags. The cheapest in town was at Smith's for $1.89 for 16 pounds, $1.89. Put 20 in there, just ice, and the thing melted really fast. Water was 97 because I had the lid on it. So if I leave the lid off, then it stays a wee bit cooler at 91. We'll see how much it changes the temp just from these 3 buckets. And maybe I'll throw an extra bag of ice in there. I don't know. We'll see what it goes down to. What are your thoughts? It's probably not gonna go below 50. Bring this 91 down to 55. Okay, maybe 60. I don't know, I have high hopes. I don't know, those have gotta be some big ice cubes. Big ice cubes. We'll see. Let's see if we can bust this myth. Screw it, it's hot. It's time. Yeah, sick. It's got ice inside of it. Oh my god. It's a huge cocktail. Huge cocktail. Look at this thing. Oh, sick. It's already melting now. Alright. Let's do it all. Oh man. Still feels pretty good. Whatever. It's just damn hot out, so. Ice cubes are gone. It was 85. All right, so let's check it out now. I mean, that's cold, but let them freeze all the way through. Yeah, let's just add some more. Now they're totally. This one's frozen the most. That one is actually. Ooh, ouch, that hurts. This one's the least over here. I topped them off. Let's let them ride. Yeah, we'll come back. Check in. It's gonna be ready by tomorrow for sure. It's real life. I made these huge ice cubes. Look at these things. That's 40 degrees. Ah, oh, feels amazing. It's a cold pool. Oh man. Haha, it feels great.